When Dennis and Denise were looking to move to the Alberni Valley, there were a few key things they were looking for in a property.
We wanted a property with three or four bedroom house, a couple of bathrooms. It had to have a workshop for me, and it had to have a yard big enough that Denise could have a garden and hopefully a greenhouse. So when we got here, we bought a house, and the house had a shop, had everything we wanted. The only thing it didn't have was the greenhouse.
So Dennis got creative and resourceful and slowly built his wife a greenhouse from mostly recycled materials.
Being we're retired, we don't have a lot of cash to throw around, so over the course of about 2 or 3 years, I started collecting material that I knew I could use to build a greenhouse. All kinds of glass, all kinds of plexiglass, timber. When they tore a house down, 3 houses down from us to build a new one, I made an arrangement with the owner of the property to steal the concrete blocks, and they ended up being the foundation for the greenhouse. And when it comes to recycling, like if you do it right, and you collect the stuff that you need, you can build anything. You can recycle almost anything.
And now that the greenhouse is up, Denise's tomato plants, or rather tomato trees, are the pride of their greenhouse.
In the greenhouse itself, I have cucumber, basil, and tomatoes. And the tomatoes they're doing very well. It's rewarding to see them grow so tall, but it's even better when you get the tomatoes because they are so much sweeter than what you normally buy. You can grow different varieties too, like the brown ones and black and purple and orange and yellow. You can just do so many different types, varieties.
That's one of those,
from everything from cherry to beefsteak.
And if you're wondering what they do with all these beautiful tomatoes,
I use them in salads, I use them in spaghetti sauces. Dennis's favorite salad is a cucumber and tomato with a bit of vinegar and olive oil on. Mine is the basil and tomatoes.
so thanks to their creativity, resourcefulness, and gardening skills, Dennis and Denise will be eating tomato salads for years to come. In Port Alberni, for Shaw TV, I'm Jenny Fortin.